Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Azure. In this video, we are going to create SSH keys in Azure and we'll learn how to do that and how to use that SSH key in setting up virtual machines. Okay, for that, if you just type SSH keys here, you will find the SSH keys service. This is a service provided by Microsoft where you can create the SSH keys and store it directly in Azure so that you don't have to generate these keys from a local machine or maybe the putty. You can directly create it here and use it in your Azure. Like if you are setting up the virtual machines, you can use the key directly and use this key to log into your virtual machine. I will create it here. Just click on create an SSH key. Here you will have to provide the subscription resource group. Suppose I will just create this in this resource group. You have to provide the region, name of the SSH key. Like if I provide this SSH key, generate a new key pair. If you already have the public key, then you can create the SSH key as well with that key. But we don't have any, so we will generate a new key pair. You can select the format. The latest one is this format, but this RSA SSH format is widely used, and even this format is being supported by putty as well, so we'll use this. Okay, now you can add the tags, whatever tags you want. Suppose based on the teams you can add your tags. Okay, finally we will review and create. If you want to download a template for this automation, you can click on download a template for automation and create the SSH key directly from your ARM template or Azure Bicep. Okay, I will click on create. Here again you get the option to download private key and create resource. So simply we will download the private key and click on create resource. This will download the private key and again this will create the SSH key as well. I'll come here. See, this SSH key has been created and this private key has been downloaded. Okay, you can see all the properties: resource group, name, public key, this the format, subscription ID. If you want to use this key, you have the private key downloaded already. You can see the public key here. You can just directly copy this public key and use it anywhere in your virtual machines. Okay, just store this virtual machine store this public key inside your virtual machine, and that will be accessible with the key which we just downloaded. Okay, and all the settings are same like all other Azure services. You can see the properties here, and if you want the automation, always you can export the template from here and you can create the keys with ARM template or convert it to Bicep, and you can create with that as well. Okay, that's it from this video. We'll meet in another video with some different topic.